On today's episode of Must or Bust, I'm checking out the new Hanes face mask, wicking cool comfort fabric. It's 100% cotton. It's got an adjustable nose piece. It's breathable, it's washable, and reusable. Let's see if these are a must or a bust.
Must or bust.
Here we go, right here from Walmart. These were $7.50 at my Walmart. I'm hearing a lot about these, so let's go ahead and open them up here. They are packaged nicely. They're folded into this box. Now, first thing we're always checking, me and my wife, are where are these made? It shows these are actually made in Vietnam, so that's where they came from. So here we go. You have 5 masks in here, as you can see, and I'll tell you the first thing I noticed is they're very soft. Like a nice pair of Hanes undies. It's got a stretchy cord here on the side. It says to use on the back side of this up to 20 times. So wash these, use these, kind of like hopefully you wash all your clothes. You just throw these in with your whites. So let's go ahead and see. It has the adjustable nose piece right in here. Here we go. So let me go ahead and we're gonna test this. Okay, let's see. Whoa. That is a large fit mask, and then I can pinch the nose right here and it covers. Wow, there you go. It's definitely fitting well. It's a little tight for me around my ears. You can even see it pulling on my ears a little bit, and it doesn't stretch a whole lot. So it says one size fits most on the package, because you can't definitely guarantee. I could have a large beard for what they know, and it definitely wouldn't fit. I've actually been using this mask a lot, and that one is pretty comfortable. And then these are more of disposable masks. You can see how stretchy and more flimsy these are. Stuff like you might get. These are the disposable ones you're supposed to wear like once. It's 3-ply cotton. It's, like I said, it's breathable. It's not like itchy or scratchy. It is a little tight for me. And it's a large mask. It really covers from up here to right down here. You know those cloths that you can get to clean your glasses? It's not that kind, but it's that kind of soft. So, and it's actually thicker than you would think. It kind of reminds me of, believe it or not, like a baby diaper that you would use, like a reusable baby diaper. It's the thickness of that, like a cloth diaper. It's got that good thickness. It feels good quality. So no tag in here, so it's tagless, if any of you were wondering that too. So there you go, guys. So $7.50 at Walmart, made in Vietnam. One size fits most. It's got the adjustable nose piece, breathable, washable, and reusable, soft 3-ply cottons. And then it does say on the back here, dispose after 20 washes. And it's cool comfort fabric. It's wicking, so it's not meant to be uncomfortable. You're supposed to be able to wear it for a long period of time. Here, let me give you some negatives for me. I've been going into the same Walmart around here a lot. Face masks were very hard to find, and I couldn't find them anywhere. And then all of a sudden, we got our states, and all these areas are starting to say, hey, face masks are mandatory. They're giving you a certain day. Walmart and Sam's Club comes out saying they're mandatory. And then I noticed all of a sudden all those masks are front and center in the displays walking in the entrance of the store. Now everybody's getting boxes of them. They're in their offices everywhere. It's almost like, is it coincidental or not that happened all at the same time? I don't know. It's like, okay, wait till we get all the masks in, and then we're gonna make them mandatory, and then everybody's gonna have to come to our store and buy them. And we got deals with people in Vietnam. I don't know. I'm not a conspiracy theory person at this point. I just thought it was interesting at best. And I have no facts to support these theories, so I'm just kind of spitballing at this point. All right, let me get back to the mask. Is this a must or a bust? This for me is a must. It is not a bust at all. It works. It does what it's supposed to do, at least comfort-wise. It will give you that little bit of protection you're looking for. Plus, it'll be easy to wear, comfortable, adjustable. You're not going to get tired of wearing it after a short period of time. It's something you can probably wear a little bit longer. If it's warmer, if it's an uncomfortable situation where you got to wear it all day, you're going to probably like this mask. And let me know if you've tried these out in the comments below and what you think about it. I'm probably going to get a lot of comments about masks and everything. I've gotten some from people, and I'm not here to tell people what to do. I'm just wearing them, and I wear them when I go in the store. If I go through a drive-through and the drive-through person's wearing one, I out of courtesy just wear one while I'm paying them. And I'm like, you got to wear one while you're talking to me. I'll wear one when I'm talking to you. It's just out of respect. I know if I go into Walmart, I'm not wearing a Walmart smock like the Walmart worker, but this is something that's different, and that all people are being told to wear at this point in our state, and hopefully to lower the numbers. So that's all I got for you. And I try to keep peace as long as it doesn't break my convictions. And that's all I'm doing here. So, hey guys, thank you for watching this channel. Hopefully this episode of Must or Bust helped you decide maybe on a new mask to try out, since we're having to wear these at this day and time. Your kids are about to go back to school. Add these to your back to school package if your kid is going to school. They're gonna be much more comfortable. They go with all their clothes. Doesn't matter what they're wearing. They can all wear these masks right here. Hey, thanks for watching. May the forks be with you. May his presence be with you. Always put a bow on the show, because that's a wrap. Show stops here. Never quit, y'all.